Did big tech ruin farming? Imagine you're in Las Vegas in January 2023, attending the opening keynote of the Consumer Electronics Show, one of the most influential tech conferences in the world. You might be surprised to see John Deere, the well-known tractor company, presenting there. After all, they are famous for making machines that push, pull, move, and dig. But according to their chief executive officer, John May, John Deere is now one of the world's leading robotics and artificial intelligence companies. They use advanced technologies like computer vision, machine learning, and data analytics to create solutions for farmers. This shift in focus is evident in their job listings. Out of 15 current United States job postings, 12 are in software, data, or robotics, while only 3 are in manufacturing. John Deere is transitioning from being a company that makes machines to one that provides technological solutions for farmers. Just like how Apple creates an integrated ecosystem with their devices and services, John Deere is doing the same for farming. They are creating an ecosystem that integrates software, hardware, and services to enhance the farmer's experience. Historically, John Deere started as a small shop in Illinois, selling shovels and pitchforks. They revolutionized farming with the self-scouring steel plow, which made farming in the American Midwest much easier by preventing soil from clumping on the plow. This innovation helped spread agriculture across the region and transformed John Deere into a leading manufacturer of agricultural equipment. In the early 20th century, John Deere expanded into making tractors, which replaced animal power on farms. They acquired the Waterloo Gasoline Engine Company and popularized the Waterloo Boy tractor, transforming it from a niche technology into an essential farming tool. As farming entered the digital age, John Deere had to adapt again. In 1995, Rockwell International Corporation unveiled a vision system using defense satellites to track tractors and improve farming efficiency. John Deere collaborated with engineers from Stanford University and organizations like NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory to create a more reliable positioning system called Starfire. This system improved global positioning system, aka GPS accuracy, making precision farming more practical and reducing inefficiencies like overlapping when planting and spraying fields. By 2004, Starfire 2 provided accuracy within 1.5 inches, revolutionizing farming. Today, with advancements like the See and Spray technology, John Deere continues to innovate. See and Spray uses artificial intelligence to identify crops and weeds, spraying herbicides with incredible precision. This reduces the amount of chemicals used and minimizes environmental impact. However, the high costs of these technologies can be burdensome for farmers. Precision farming requires new equipment and subscriptions, making it an expensive necessity. Additionally, the complexity of modern machinery means that when it breaks down, farmers often need authorized technicians to fix it, adding to their expenses. The rise of big tech in farming has also led to debates over the right to repair. Farmers want access to the diagnostic software needed to fix their equipment, but John Deere has been reluctant to provide it, citing liability concerns. Despite these challenges, John Deere must continue innovating to stay competitive. Venture capital investment in agricultural technology is increasing, with startups aiming to improve food production through technological innovation. As global population grows and urbanization increases, the demand for more efficient and sustainable farming practices will only intensify. The transformation of John Deere from a traditional machinery manufacturer to a tech-driven solutions provider is a reflection of broader trends in agriculture. Farmers are increasingly relying on technology to manage their operations, from planting and harvesting to monitoring crop health and optimizing resource use. This shift is driven by the need to produce more food with fewer resources, as well as the desire to minimize environmental impact. However, the integration of technology into farming is not without its drawbacks. One major concern is the cost. Advanced farming equipment is expensive, and the ongoing costs of software subscriptions and maintenance can add up. For small-scale farmers, these expenses can be prohibitive, potentially driving them out of business or forcing them to adopt less efficient practices. Another issue is the complexity of modern farming equipment. While these machines are designed to make farming more efficient, they are also highly complex and require specialized knowledge to operate and maintain. When something goes wrong, farmers often need to call in authorized technicians, which can be costly and time-consuming. This reliance on external expertise can be frustrating for farmers who are used to fixing their own equipment. The right to repair debate is another contentious issue in the world of modern farming. Farmers argue that they should have the ability to repair their own equipment, but manufacturers like John Deere have been reluctant to provide the necessary tools and software. This has led to legal battles and calls for regulatory action to ensure that farmers can maintain and repair their own machinery. Despite these challenges, there are many benefits to the integration of technology into farming. Precision farming techniques, for example, can significantly increase crop yields and reduce the use of water, fertilizers, and pesticides. This not only improves the efficiency of farming operations, but also has positive environmental impacts. Technological advancements can also help farmers make better decisions. Data analytics and machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights into crop health, soil conditions, and weather patterns. This information can help farmers make more informed decisions about when to plant, irrigate, and harvest, ultimately improving productivity and profitability. Furthermore, the use of robotics and automation in farming can address labor shortages and reduce the physical demands of farm work. Autonomous tractors and drones, for example, can perform tasks like planting, spraying, and harvesting with minimal human intervention. This not only reduces labor costs, but also allows farmers to focus on more strategic aspects of their operations. The future of farming is likely to be increasingly technology-driven. As global population continues to grow, the demand for food will only increase. At the same time, climate change and other environmental challenges will put additional pressure on agricultural systems. Technology will play a crucial role in addressing these challenges and ensuring that we can produce enough food to meet the needs of a growing population. In conclusion, the transformation of John Deere from a traditional machinery manufacturer to a tech-driven solutions provider is reshaping the farming industry. While the integration of technology into farming offers significant benefits, it also comes with costs and challenges that farmers must navigate. As the world continues to evolve, it will be important for farmers, manufacturers, and policymakers to work together to ensure that the benefits of technological advancements are realized while addressing the associated challenges.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.